Hello world, I'm going to show you how to do this activity 2.4 number 7 right here. So first thing, of course, you want to do it in Inventor, and it is in metric. So when you start a file with file new, you want to make sure you switch it to metric right here, and centimeter is not available, but we're going to just open it up on millimeter. And one of the things we're going to do is go to Tools, go to Document Settings, go to Units, and then change this to centimeters right there. Go ahead and hit Apply and Close. Let's click on the 3D model and start our first sketch. So I'm going to start on the XY plane. Click on that and click on my rectangle. And when I draw the rectangle, the width I want to be is 3.5, so I can just type that in and hit enter, and it automatically does the width as 3.5 centimeters. I hit enter. That's fine. If you hit enter like I just did, you can just click on the dimension and click here, click on the line that you just created. I'm going to click it again to get the ability to edit, and I want it to be 5 centimeters tall. You can also type in cm for centimeters. I'm going to double click the center mouse button so that when I double click it, it automatically zooms. That's a huge help. And then of course, zooming in and zooming out, if you have a mouse with a roller pad, you can do that, and it just makes life a whole bunch easier. I'm going to double click there to get it in there. If you have like a black background base like I do, that's fine. If you're just doing a solid gray, that's cool too. It's just a little setting that I changed a little bit. So I'm going to finish this sketch. Again, I'm going to zoom out, hit extrude, and then click on there, and I want it to be 2 centimeters. So I'm going to click on that. All right, I'm going to subtract some space away from this. So I'm going to click on the front, left click, and then I'm going to go to Create Sketch. And I want to really encourage you to start using this project geometry. When you click on this top part, or if you click here and then you click here, click on that and it will outline it for you. You can see mine just showed up in yellow. And then I'm going to grab my line tool, and I'm just going to freehand what looks like this right here. So I'm going to go across, down, and then finally across, and I'll fill in the dimensions here in a sec. So I'm going to go make sure I got my line tool. I'm going to click on here. I'm going to go across, down, and then across, and when I hover over this black line, a dot shows up. And then I also want to kind of lock it in there at 90 degrees. So I click that. All right, one dimension. I'm going to click on dimensions. I'm going to click on this line right here. And I want that. If you notice, we know this distance right here, 2.5, and we know this distance right here, so 3.5. So I'm not going to use that. So I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to delete it. So I'm going to go back to my dimension. I'm going to click on this right here. So that dimension is 2.5. It's given for me. That's what I want. Then this dimension right here in our directions is 1. And this dimension from here, so I clicked on this line, to this baseline, this yellow line right there, is 2. So that raised it up a little bit. I'm fully constrained. It's all purple or blue, whatever that color is. I'm going to finish my sketch. Hit extrude. I'm going to click on this space up here. It automatically came forward. I want to change the direction of that. And I want to change the dimension of that to 1. And as you can see, it kind of fills it in. I hit OK. And I think I'm good. Before you do anything else, let's save your work. In my class, I like to encourage students to save to their Google Drive and to their IED folder. So I'm going to put this in my Unit 2 folder, and I'm going to call this 2.4 Oh, I can't do, okay. So I'm going to call this 2 space 4 number 7 and then my initials. Go ahead and hit save and show your teacher when you're all done. Good job.